Everyone, welcome to part one of our three-part series where we'll dive into everything you need to know about ozone generators. In this first video, we're going to unbox our F105a commercial ozone generator and take a peek inside to see what's included so you know exactly what to get when you get yours. Alright, so let's take a look inside. On top, you're going to have a thank you note, packing list, and a user guide. You're also going to have a warranty card. So on top, you're going to have some paperwork. Once you remove that, you're going to see the actual unit. But on the left and right side, you're going to find some other stuff. This is going to be the power cord. And then this is going to be a 3-pack of ozone plates. Once you have that stuff removed, you're going to have the actual unit. You're going to have foam inserts on both sides, and then it's going to be in this plastic bag. Now that we have everything fully removed out of the box, the last thing that you really need to open is going to be the box of ozone plates. So once you cut the tape, open it up and make sure you have 3 ozone plates included. They're going to be nicely wrapped in this foam packaging. Got 1, 2, and 3.